new Stihl cordless saw came yesterday. It's been on order for just over 2 weeks. There's been a bit of a delay because of COVID and demand, so it's arrived, so it's unboxing time. I bought the promo kit where you get the bare unit, plus you get a battery, plus you get a charger. So I think it's on a 12-inch bar, but I'll just check on that when we put it together. So the batteries, if you buy them separately, the big batteries, the larger one it's 125 quid. So I think in total, by the time I've paid for the bare unit, the two batteries, charger, plus I've got a spare chain, I think it was 433 sterling pounds, which includes our VAT, our value added tax. So it's a reasonable amount of money, but I think it's still quite good value. So in the box, I've got my bare unit. I've got two chains, but it only comes with one, but I bought an extra chain, 64 link. Then I've got the battery charger, chain guard. Then I got it's a 12-inch bar, it is. It comes as standard with a 2.5 amp battery, instruction book, and then I haven't opened the other package yet, but I bought another 2.5 amp battery. So this tab lifts up. Yeah, it's definitely stiff. You've got to get your finger sort of into the end of that groove and then lift up. It's definitely stiff. This comes off. So the whole side panel lifts off. And then this is the mechanism for the tightening of the chain on the bar. As this piece in the middle, as it rotates, it's on a, is it called a concentric circle, so the circle's offset, so as it goes around, this piece here comes out more and more to give the adjustment. It's sticking out a lot more now, so it pushes the bar out. So this adjuster ring item, that part there which fastens into the bar there, you've got two lugs. That bottom lug will fit into that one, and this screw comes out, and then the bar fits on top. And then the screw will go back into that one there. So that's the minimum amount of bar extension, and I'll show you the maximum. So that's the maximum bar extension now. So the bar sits back against the body of the saw, and this is in front. Chain goes on now, making sure that this is all the way to the minimum. So making sure that this is all the way to the minimum. I'm just winding it out to show you. That's winding it back. And the chain goes that way around, so the teeth are cutting that way. So there's the drive shaft. So the chain is going to cut going across the screen from right to left. So the chain is on. Now we've got to attach it to the bare unit. The battery's got a indicator, so just press the button, just 1 bar, so I'll put it onto charge. So the label faces forwards. Double click and then we're in. So the chain oil goes in there, which we've done already. So this is a good 4-inch piece of green ash. Looks well built and is very impressive.